I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook pixel in a landing page. So this is my pixel, then I will set up meta pixel here, then install code manually. Okay, then copy this code, copy this meta pixel code below. Okay, then paste this code in the bottom of the header section of the website. I have to paste this code in the header. So I will showing you this code here. This is the code, and I will take the, you can paste the code in the heading section, but I will take the number only. So I will find the number. This is my pixel code. Okay, so I'll take this one only. You can take your code from, well, okay, I'll show you. Then continue, turn on advanced meshing, then continue. Okay, then I will go to my landing page. Here is my landing page. So I will click here, then integrate, then Facebook pixel, enable cash flow page here, enable for the whole website. Okay, then I'll take view content initiation payment, this one. Okay, then save it, then click save change. Okay, so enabled. What is happening here? This one. Okay, then save it. Why it's not working here? Facebook is not on currently. Click here. I have to check this one. Oh yeah, my Facebook pixel is not working here. I will go to my store page. See, 2 pixel are working here. The meta pixel on 49. Okay, see, this is a landing page and pixel, add to cart, initiate checkout, page view, all are working. Then I will I will fill up this form, and then I will place an order. Then I will show you the pixel. Okay, wait few seconds. See, purchase event are firing only. Load set cash flow. It's firing now. Okay, I hope you understand, and if you have any question, please feel free to text, comment, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Thank you. Have a good day.